Let's begin with the lecture. In today's lecture, I would be demonstrating you how to fetch a particular record from database and back to Java. Let's get started, guys. And first, launch Eclipse. I've already launched Eclipse and create a Java project. Right click, go to new project, Java project, and let's give some meaningful name Java project JDBC program. Click on finish. Now see guys, now this JDBC program got added here, and now first I will link connector jar file for MySQL and click on Java project, go to build path, configure build path, libraries, and you see add external jars. Click on add external jars and go to E directory where I have downloaded connector jar file for MySQL. Go to jar, MySQL connector Java, and you see MySQL connector jar and select first option, open, apply and close. Now see the reference libraries got added here the moment I link connector jar file for MySQL. Expand it and you see this MySQL connector Java. And now you will be able to write JDBC program. And let's create a class. Go to src, new class. Let's give some meaningful name, user details, user record. Click on finish. Now see with the name user record, the Java class created. And let's start with the main method. With the first steps, to import driver class, write down class dot for name and give package name com dot mysql dot jdbc dot driver and terminate with the semicolon. And you see, and you will get compile time exception, beta surround with try and catch block. Okay, write down try, catch, write down exception, and e, write down sys. And with the second steps, to establish connection between Java and JDBC, Java and database, write down here driver manager dot get connection. Write down here a URL. Here username, password. And for the URL, write down here JDBC, guys. And to write down a URL, you will have to follow a protocol to interact with MySQL database. And you cannot change it. You cannot change it, or we cannot change it. You will have to follow the same protocol what I am following right now. JDBC colon MySQL colon double slash localhost and give here a database name. And manually, guys, and manually we have created a database name user and table name user1. I write down user, okay, and here username root, because by default uh, exam has got root and I didn't create any password, leave it blank. And to get return type of this driver manager dot get connection, place a cursor over here and press Ctrl 1. You see assign a statement to new local variable. Click on it. Writing C and con dot prepare a statement and I will fire SQL query. Select all from table name. Here will be table name. What is table name? Table name is user1. User1. Terminate with the semicolon. And you see when I write here the star, it will fetch all the record from database. Select a star from user1. Place a cursor over here. Press Ctrl 1 and you see option. Assign a statement to a new local variable. Click on it and you see this auto populated message. Write down here PS. Now PS dot execute query and terminate with the semicolon. Guys, and now the question arises when to use execute query and when to use execute update. The execute update can be used when we perform insert operation, update operation and delete operation. But execute query can be used when we fetch the data from database. Okay, place a cursor over here and press Ctrl 1. You see assign a statement to a new local variable and write down here results and start with the while loop. While write down here results dot next. Guys, the next is the method and how does it work? I tell you right now. Guys, and when we write next method, then the one control will set at the top of this table and it will check do we have data. Okay, and if the data is present, then it will fetch this particular record. Okay, and again the control will be forwarded to the next record and again it will check do we have data. If data is present, then the data this data will be fetched. Again the control will be forwarded to the next record. Again it will see do we have data. If data is present, then it will fetch this particular record. Okay, and the next steps, the data is not found, then the while loop terminates this while loop and this while loop will iterate only 3 times because we have created only 3 record. Let's print system.out.println results.get and I'm using get to get the record from database. Get integer. Write down here column index 1 because this user id presents in column 1 and in user id the data type is integer and that's why I'm writing here get integer and only try to run only this much whether it is working or not. Run as Java application and you see now the user id is getting printed. Again go here and perform concatenation operation plus double quotes and plus write down results dot get a string and write down a column index 2. I want to fetch this name Murad, Murtaza and Mustafa and these are the strings. That's because I'm writing here get strings 2 and try to run only this much. Run as Java application. Now see it is not looking much aligned. I will create a space between 100 and Murad, then just create a space and run only this much. Run as Java application. Now see it is looking much aligned. This is user id and this is name. Again print. I want to print email id and CT. Again perform concatenation operation plus double quotes plus results dot get a string. Write down column 3. Again perform concatenation operation plus double quotes. Write down plus results dot get a string because CT has got a string value, a string data type and column index is 4. Try to run as Java application. Now see guys, now user id, name, email id and city name. All the record is getting printed on the console. Right now I'm printing all the record on the console, but in some time I would be teaching you that how to print this all record back to web page when we talk about servlet. Right guys? Okay, and that's all for the day. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, support, share and subscribe guys. And let's catch up in the next video. And in the next tutorial I will be teaching you how to configure Tomcat. Thank you.